The product was perfectly packaged and it arrived safely. I often worry during delivery that the item will arrive broken. In this case all was well. The Velasca is a great machine. It's easy to clean and maintain. The programmable interface is user-friendly. Keep in mind that you should use coffee beans that won't clog and damage the grinder. I did extensive research and I also looked to videos from Whole Latte Love for advice. Again, this is a great machine for the price. Salute. Works well except with oily beans. The more oily beans trigger an out of coffee condition as they stick together and take longer to drop in and grind. In that case the machine grinds almost a full load, but then disposes of the coffee load without running water through. Very wasteful. If you like the oily dark roast, like me, you can dab them in a paper towel before putting in the hopper. Otherwise, really good coffee, and a great machine. To drink bad coffee. This is one of the best machines I have tried, and the steam wand is the best that I have tried. This machine looks awesome. I like the black better than the stainless, and it makes incredible espresso. If you are looking for a super automatic machine in black, you have found what you are looking for. Buy this, life is too short to drink bad espresso. We borrowed a friend's Saeco gyro for about a month, and got hooked on the super-automatics. This one is comparable, but so well designed. Aside from the brew group being accessed from the side, everything else is serviceable from the front. The water tray catches water from the whole unit in one tray. Very smart design. Great coffee. There are machines out there that do more, but this one works great. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.